mayam bu amka na ai channel asida taram okchari ngasi ai gi so question ai na bo ina makha chatha bo ina ngasi ne na doisina 2017 amasung 2018 gi so question with answer lo na yemina si mero singna okay hoji aina thamjari ba question khara se 2017 da hangki ba handa revise syllabus ki matung ina adugi syllabus ki manung chanba question singni adugi manung chandab sing dudi ai ijadre. Okay, I have a question. Why is mica mainly used for the manufacturing of electrical goods? Electronic purchase have a mica se maru in the season rivasa. Kali madam no and a question ni 1 mark. My answer is mine later. Since it has a unique property of being a bad conductor of electricity and resistance to high temperature. Madam ni my magun hababu. My bad conductor of electricity, my cars the bad conductor of electricity, more the electric foul dava, electric power circuit foul dava, adugumba, oiba, plus resistance to high temperature. Hey, asaba say temperature one, Tadala Kumatam, the more the resist Natok Shabangam, more the capacity laser, sorry. Aduna Maram Oraga, Manas electronic purchase have the season of the knee. Yamakataminasi. What measures would you suggest to take out for the maintenance of food security in India? Ma anini India food security se lehenge habatar gadi kari section thorang lokhat pe yapage anitang iu habani like the sumari chungna textbook te yaubani aham point ta ai haijar age buffer stock haiba ama ani shubadana public distribution system PDS haiba ma haiba ani se ekhoina section thorang oina food security India la ina bagi dam ta lokhat pe aba step ni asim ta jage. The next question da suggest 2 measures that would help protect flora and fauna in Manipur. Manipur flora fauna kannaba sau checking amasung pambi sing kannaba yokhat na bagi dam ta paikhat pe aba section thorang kari no alitang you have ni suggest to have ni ai pajar ke answer. National parks and sanctuaries are set up in a state to provide natural habitat for the wildlife. Masagi wildlife lamlaki sau check chungi masagi chana chuna ba mafam sida mabu protect tawraga thambiba. The aim is not only to protect and preserve flora and fauna but also to augment the precious natural heritage. Makoi pandam zen national park amasu wildlife sanctuary sagalib se masigi pandam se karino haba matamda makoi ngak se laga thambina batana tana makoi masing hengala halaga akoi na asibu kannabagi damaktani asi ibiro. Then, high 2017 the Hankiba map the Hankiba location say area of black soil. And Hankibani area of black soil take a dialogue. You have the Moshatona, so the map the screen the sum I picture again, my Russian in Biro. Then, Matangi question next time. My own people question explain how tidal energy generated. Matokaran tidal energy say Sumbagi have to explain Toraga Sandung you have any. Sida I Pazarake. Floodgate dams are to be built across inlet. Akoina high tide, low tide, high tide. Kuding ising jangba yaba dam se inlets patoga ising jangba yaba dam se toroga adu ising jangal lagani. During high tide, ocean currents flow into the inlets and get step into the gate is closed. Gate as thing inlets in the tingan kima tamda nasa ising door reservoir oina samudra ithak ipom na horopa ising door adu tungsalagale horagani. After the tide reaches the tap, water is released to a power generating turbine to produce electricity. High ishing tungsalagame ishing ado awang mafam amadagi turbine the tharaga turbines umal matungda generator tawre haraga ko electricity strongly just like what we are doing in hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity ka tawudo admana chamani tobutu ma se tides ki mateng na loba sungba energy ne haiduna tidal energy na manu thonba. Yan mathanga yam hazab question am lere ma piba. Why do Indian farmers start cultivating high value crops nowadays? Howjika answer India lomi singchina high value crops mamal hena phangadaba paisa hena phangadaba aduguma mahi marong thanari ibase kari maram no haibani sida maram ahum pizare like the chapchaba textbook ta maram ahum yaubani. Number 1 point, high value crops increase the income of the farmer are eco friendly as well. Masina high value crops thabana lomi singi income hengal hali eco friendly su oi haire. Ani suba point that these crops also need much less irrigation than rice or sugarcane. Atopa mahi marong sidagidi hena mana hena wana isingje changi have mabu thana honaba isingje yang wana changi have lere. Ahumzo point, India's diverse climate help in growing a wide variety of high value crops. India ilai batonga to makhalgi climate leba ai nga sa se masina makhal makhal gi high value crops thabada yang chana jabanani hai point hom se sun textbook tu yaw bani okay then akhoi essay type question da 2017 da essay type question hangi ba question ani se sida or chalaga pira bani aham masina smile la hangi explain how industries are responsible for causing water pollution in India industry mayam sina mato karamna water pollution tholi bano akhoi India da explain to you habani I point khasum pajarake disaster industrial influence that contain heavy metals such as mercury cadmium lead copper kolka khana de thadarakpa phatawdi mayam sing liquid oibab sing je directly dump tore manak na papukri pata adu yawri machan phataba mayam mercury cadmium lead na chingba kya ma yawbana maram oraga pollution tore hare disaster influence containing poisonous elements such as foam leather paper pulp dyeing textile chemical industry tongan industry kyama pollute yam tawba lairi poisonous ki oiba hu chenba kayama akhoi turen ja manak na turen pata thadarpana oire then mathang the discharge of contaminated water from agricultural fields or farm where fertilizers insecticides pesticides and other chemicals are used manak na pa akhoi loguma karigumba akhoi leiba farm gum leiba duda akhoi na chemical kyama sijana ba har kyama makhal sijanari hujikan akhoi then insecticides pesticides mayam sijanari adugi machum mayam du punna manak na pukri paturen da tarakpa asina su water pollution to oibigi chang wangi then disposal of industrial waste such as plastic rubber synthetic materials dead bodies of humans and animals also river and lakes etc adu tanatna patha pudhagang ngamdaba rubber plastic na chingba then akhoi gi asiba hakchang na chingba kaya ama turen pat thadarakpanani haire then another point disaster of hot water influence mainly from factories thermal and nuclear power plant akhoi mamangda thermal pollution aibam thena khibam asaba ising natraga thermal power plant dagi radioactive materials kya ama turen pat pukhi thadarakpana su maram oraga ising temperatures ang henglapa madusu a kind of water pollution ni hena smaina points in chekhara aina san kidang tentan thamjare then mathangi ra akhoina or chalaga hangi question se explain the factors responsible for the concentration of jute mills in the Hooghly basin Hooghly to mapanda jute mills sing haibadi limon gi karkhana sing se hena chungchalaga marang kairaga mafam ji leikibagi maram che karino magi factors sing che karino haibani adu iyo haibani ante yengminasi okay ai sum pajarake point sing se ai sum pajarake magi maru and raw materials phangba se abundant supply of jute and basic raw materials of the industry is due to the nearness of the jute growing area mafam se jute hob mafam ga yam marang kaina leiminaba amasung yam nakna jute hob mafam se marang kaina mafam se leiba poinam pire then water supply ising marang kaina phangba availability of ample water in the region makes the process rating the jute easy marang kaina ising phangba Hooghly turen achobung cheli bani aduna mabu sudok chamthokpada jute che darka lei adu ising ju watana phangba then labor marang kaina phangba mafam sida being a labor intensive industry cheap labor supply is required which is obtained from the densely populated belt of West Bengal Bihar Jharkhand and Odisha mafam se kolkakhana yam leibana maram oraga labor sing che watana leiba manang pa state sing chidagi labor chimi sing che watana mafam sta phangba oiba then transport chathok chasing gi pambai the region is well connected with Kolkata by roads and railways which are supplemented by the water transport that makes the transportation inexpensive chathok chasing gi pambai the ising gi pambai si yamna hongba adu natana Kolkata haba sahar si nakna rubana maram oraga mathak lambi makha lambi amasu every kind of transport system is easily available oiba mafam si yam line phangba the last point ports and other facilities hitangpam amasu atopa khudongchaba kaya ama pipiba kanana pipi habde yengsi Kolkata provides the facility of port banking and insurance required for the development of the industry Kolkata haba sar West Bengal gi konmoriba Hooghly basin Hooghly haba turen su West Bengal cheliba tureni banking khudongchaba hitangpam khudongchaba insurance ki khudongchaba khudimakche Kolkata haba metropolitan city sina provide to people ngamba sigi factors mayam sina maram orga jute mill sing sa akoina Hooghly basin de marang kaina leibani asmana tentakna thamjare asida loijare khoi 2017 gi so question sing se loijare ai makha continue tawjaboina 2018 gi amtang yengminasi ke makha tabo no ji 2018 gi yengminasi so question answer ga loina na ahan question na The one reason why natural gas is considered to be a clean and environment friendly resource. Our natural gas है करी गिदम पे याम तरु तनानबा environment सोप तबा दुम resource सिंग से करी मरम न नो है ना हम question ni one mark question ni. As final answer be because the emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere is quite low while using it. Ay ma wo season na tamda atmosphere carbon dioxide puthok pai chang se CO2 puthok pai chang se yam nemba aduna chak thi khibna hendana pollution create tok tab aduna ni. Then mathangi question da what step would you take up to solve the problem of jute industry? Nasi ki jute ki karkhana na limon ki karkhana na thengnari ba problem se masi bo solve tongna ba step ani tang you have any ma ani ni. Aham step that it should take mandatory for various mills to use jute products in packing. Mandatory ari sung soi soi compulsory sarkana ya thang tawre koina maru oina food grain amsung sugar packing tawba matamda maru oina koina jute bag sing se season gadabani and mandatory tawre habani. Ani chubuda national jute policy 2005 should be followed strictly by improving quality and making a variety of products. Akoina national jute policy in 2005 that launched the reba. Masiki step ani sini pai khala ibase and ani shubada sorry third ahum shubada hitare. Question say Manipur import large quantity of fish from other states of India. Suggest two measures that would have reduced import of fish. Manipur na mapalam dagi yam laba nga se puslai Manipur da mapalam dagi pusli import of sli masigi se khara hanthana bagi damakta kari step pai khat pai yapage happen. Ahan pointa by harnessing the vast fisheries of the state using advanced techniques of fish culture. Nga yopai programs yai makai ekhuna Manipur gi kachin pe mafum sing the yai makai nga yopai programs sing chakoina tawgadabani ani shubada by mass production of indigenous fish like pengba, khaba, ngaton etc. Akoi isai iramdam gi oiba nga oijariba indigenous fish pengba, ngaton, khaba ka haiba singche masibu hen product tawnaba hen puthokna bi damakta akoina khona gadabani. Smai tor leijare then mathangi question map ni haiba 2018 gi map ta hangkiba location se Sundarban akoi mayamna world largest delta Sundarban delta aina khambini duni West Bengal hebani ai screen da sum ucharake mafam do. Next akoina aham unit gi hangba question ni write a brief account of the three different land resources of India. India gi land resources makhal ahum thona khaidoi adi makhal ahum dugi maram de you habani ai samna harake mountain plateau plain hena lebaduni mamang so ai panjakrabani. Mountains in 30% se akoi India da mountain oi haina point ma zero plus perennial flow of some rivers turin kya gi horofam oiri amasung tourism kya ma yokhali haba asmai taroga mountain gi manam ibibiani. Then next the plateau ki percentage se akoi India da kya oiba 27% oi mana mukari kane rich minerals reserve and forest umangwamang amasung mineral kya marang kane India da fangi base plateau da ayamana oi. Then ahum subda khwari yam saru oriba cha da 43% 143% se play na oi asinam kai de kane facilities of agriculture and industry long shuwa amsu kolkarkhana kyam ngasi le se akoi plain dani le te mana tampak sidani and aswai tar pipiro point se. Then mathangi question da explain the importance of minerals in the economic development of the country by giving 3 points. Akoi gi senthumi phibam da minerals sing sina kari kana ba pibage simit londa kadi kana ba pibagi haibe point ahum tang iu haibani haiba point so ai sum pai pazarake matana ki answer in a board pi answer duni. Almost everything we use from tiny pin to a towering building are made from minerals. Pikro pin masam de wam charba dolan si phawa ekoina minerals ki mateng na saba naktani mineral naktani haibani mai mateng haibu. All the vehicles with which we travel, the implements and machinery that we use are made from minerals. Akoina ngasi thonari ba gari sing season riba machine sing khusukhlai sing khrimak se ayamana mineral na sarba naktani. Then ahum suda we use minerals even for making our food, medicines etc. Thus minerals provide the best for industrial development of a country. Leba amaka industry da chawkhat kya patar gadi kolkarkhana chawkhat kya patar mineral kya gi mapan tangaga akoina si chawkhali bani asigi point sing se sum pibiro. Then ma ahum piba question amtang hajar ke explain any three geographical factors that have lead to the location of paper industry in West Bengal. Ma ahum ni West Bengal the paper industry che sabi karkhana se khwaide hena marang kana lei kari factor na maram oragano haina hangbo question ni mai tentak tek na yamna shortcut tai point khara sum pajarake. Bamboo from Assam and Sundarban Delta magi maru ba raw material pocha oi ba paper industry pocha oi ba waze manak na pa state Assam amsung Sundarban Delta dagi marang kaina phangba mafam oi. Then grass from Bihar mamang da aina magi raw materials habai grass hai kiba adu napi dusu manang pa state Bihar dagi fangi. Coal from Jhariyan Ranigas, Koilana Jhariyan Ranigas dagi fangi. Clean water from Hooghly River. Then West Bengal chelipa Hooghly Turen mamang so ina panjak rabaduni marang kaina ising phangi. Large market and cheap transport chathok chasin gi pamba yam hongba amasung sinmi singse marang kaina phangba mafam haibado mafam sida oibana maram orga paper mill singse West Bengal marang kaina leibani. Okay, so 3 marks ki loijare. Then aroi ko ina essay type question do ai amtang continue tawjarake. Okay, essay type question da haiba question ani se hangki 2018 da amtang ai pajarake. Compare geographical condition necessary for the cultivation of cotton with those of jute. Lasing amasung jute animaki ai ngasai phibam se changdam naraga amtang yu haibani asida ai amta pajarake. Mamang so hangki ba lerabani si. The point out cotton requires high temperature during flowering stage, where jute requires uniformly high temperature throughout the year. Lasingna darkalei se ma satorok matamda yamna saba ama darkalei tabutubu jutti jahi chupa amada sabi changse su maintain toraga chap manaba sabi changse lebam darkalei hare comparison ni animaki ainga sai phibam limon amasung lasing animaki ainga sai phibam changdano habani. Anishu point out cotton requires light rainfall and clear sky during the flowering stage. Lasing di mana nong chubai chang se nong se thili thili chuba amasung lei se satorok matam da lasing se satorok matam da lechi nong phai tha da ba atia yam sengba darkar lei habani. Whereas amarom dana limon di requires uniformly high rainfall throughout the year jahi chuba amada nong yam kana chuba am darkar lei habani. Ahumsu point that cotton requires 210 frost free days and cooler weather as harvest time, whereas jute requires warm and humid weather throughout the year. Lasing di Sahi amada 365 days lebada 210 numit amadi unkha ta da bam darka lei ingba yam yadaba aduma pambi amani tobudubu limon di sahi chupada chang amada sabam darka lei haban. Then marisba point cotton grows best in the black cotton soil. Lasing hobse khwaina marang kan India lasing hobse kadai da hoge habu matamda black cotton soil hena khangri ba lebak le house da marang kaina hobo ngami aduga. Whereas amarom dana jute grows well on the well then fertile soil with annual flooding jahi khudingi ising chawta yawrapa phatawudi kyasna sum paisa laga thamba mafam lehau yam phaba mafam sida limon sida marang kaina hobo ngami. Then manga suba point, last point, cotton is mainly confined to the Deccan Plateaus. Maruana cotton se kadai de India hoge Deccan Plateau na khangnari ba mafam sida hawi habani. Jute grows mainly in the floodplain of West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Orissa. Jute na kadai da hoge haba matam da Indiagi maruana West Bengal da Bihar da Assam Orissa da hawi haina asmai taraga animaki ai nga sa sangdam naraga asumna answer se bizare ai screen da sum answer se ucharake. Then aroiba question hangriba or chalaga hangriba question se explain the chief characteristic of the plantation farming with reference to tea cultivation in India. Akoi maru ina plantation farming gi maram de iu haibani mawong mato kamai tawuno iu haibani tawbutubu Canada reference piraga chamana cultivation tawisi India asida kitang focus tawraga iu haibani. Sige answer so ai haipitang point khara amani tang pathok charake. Plantation farming sketches by a single crop on a large area, huge capital investment, scientific techniques of cultivation and cheap labor. Plantation farming se kamai toge hamu matamda makhal amakaki pambi se paktang na thagani paisa yam thadagani mai pandam se kari oigani hen senthok phangba adugi mana thariba mahi marong singdo adu yolaga taithoga hen paisa phangba masi magi maruba pandam oigani. Then it aims at high yield, high quality production and large output. Most of which is exported. Magi maruba pandam se pothok yang puthoga mapalam de export over yothopa taithopa aduga sendong phangba se magi maruba pandam oigani plantation farming gi. Then the final products have to be standardized to meet the world demand and specification. Mana puthok se yamna quality leba magul leba darkar le karigino atopa leba ka changdana matamda chang ta dana quality hanthadana darkar yamna oi. Then in India, tea is mainly cultivated in Assam, West Bengal, Nilgiri and Cardamom Hills, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, etc. Maru aina tea se plantation farming ge under the channa mai manung channa tea plantation se taunai kadai da maru aina Assam da, West Bengal da, amasung Darjeeling da, Jalpaiguri district kaina leiriba. Then akhoi ge Cardamom Ching haiba chi da tea plantation se tawi haven. Last point, Assam is the largest producer of tea and contributes more than half of the total production of in the country. Assam na ko India gi oina khwai de yamna chamna puthokpa state oi ma mathantana tangkhai de hena chamna si India da putho I haina haibani. Hariba point khara se ai tentak tenan thamjaraga masi ai gi online class ai gi channel gi kuthangda mayam da thambiriba aina ngamjaba khara ai yumdagi mateng sum pangeriba masida nairoi singna support to view amusu yari makai te friends sing chu khangna bi damakta ai video si su share to view ai lockdown manung sida hetang mayam gi mateng oina bi damakta ai gi site hona jabani masida positive comment kya ama ai encourage tono comment kya ama su bibira kani haba asa tawi matang aroi blog oina ai so question ina jabada 2019 amasung 20 so question ina jage ngasi gi su ada tension jarage